Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs, electronics, and how to make your life easy on them. I also talk about installing applications that you might not even see on the App Store. So if these are topics you're interested in, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now, in this particular video, I want to show you 3 ways to install applications to your Samsung Smart TV without Google Play Store. So, 3 good ways to install applications to your Samsung Smart TV without Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, this is my Samsung Smart TV. It is an old version of Samsung Smart TV, but it's still going to do the work. So, I'm going to show you 3 ways that I use to download applications or install applications to this my Samsung Smart TV. So, stick with me. Now, the first way to install applications to this Smart TV without Google Play Store is by using a third-party Play Store. Now, what do I mean by third-party Play Store? A third-party Play Store is just like Google Play Store, but it's not an official Play Store. So, for instance, here's a third-party Play Store, which is called Aptoide. This is one. There are many of them, but I love using Aptoide because it's kind of like sure. So, if you go out to Aptoide, you can just launch it, and here's how it looks like, for instance. Once you launch it, just give it a minute. Now, there are many third parties Play Store that are not Google Play Store. Yeah, that's the only difference. They are good, but they are not Google Play Store. Now, the thing is that most applications that you won't see on Google Play Store, you might see them on Aptoide. So, Aptoide is a very good Play Store for your Android TV or smart TV. So, when I come out here, you can see there are many applications which you can search. There are lots of applications which you can search and download or install to your Android TV for free. So Aptoide is the first method to download or install applications to your smart TV without Google Play Store. Now, if you don't have Aptoide on your smart TV or Samsung Smart TV, to get that, you just have to come over to this downloader and install it. Alright, so we come over to downloader and search Aptoide. Now, that brings us to the second way to install applications to your smart TV or Samsung Smart TV without Google Play Store, which is using downloader itself. Now, downloader is not a Play Store like Aptoide. It's way of a browser or intermediary applications they can use to search files from the internet to your smart TV or Samsung Smart TV. Now, it's way different from Aptoide. Like when you launch it, you're not just going to see applications, you have to search. So this is how to use downloader to search. Now let's imagine that you're looking for an app like Aptoide, for instance. You can just go over here and then search Aptoide. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So Aptoide, I hope this is how it is written. That's the right spelling. So when you're searching applications to download, always make sure to search the right keyword, because the right keyword is going to lead you to the right application. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this is already an option, Aptoide. You scroll down, yeah, here's the application, here's it. So you just have to come over here and click on this and get Aptoide to your Samsung Smart TV or Smart TV in general. So that's how to get applications. That is the second way to get applications to your Samsung Smart TV, and I just show you by getting Aptoide to your Samsung Smart TV. So once you know that this is the second way to get applications to your Samsung Smart TV, what is the third way? Now the third way, for instance, you're looking for application that's not on your Google Play Store, you don't have Aptoide. The third way to get applications to your Samsung Smart TV is still by using downloader. Now, there are 2 ways to get applications to downloader. The first one is by looking for the application, but the second one, which is most time, is very important because the first method doesn't really work at times. The first method by which you just go ahead and search for the application don't usually work. So the second way is by searching for the APK of that application. So instead of just searching for the application, search for the APK. Now, before I forget, if you're interested in getting downloaded to your Samsung Smart TV or Smart TV or Android TV, check the description of this video, there's a link there. So the third way to get applications to your Smart TV is coming to the search bar, and instead of searching for the application, you're going to search for the APK. To search for the APK, all you have to do is type in Aptoide and click APK. Now, I'm just using an example with Aptoide for the moment. You can do this for any application that you're looking for. Alright, it's going to still work. So search Aptoide APK. And once you go over here, as you can see on my screen, there are many APKs for Aptoide. Here's one, here's another, here's another, you see there are many. So you see that this other search has many options than the first one. So this has many options than the first one. So you're just going to look for anyone that is going to work for you, anyone that can work for you. All right, there are many. I recommend, for instance, this one, Aptoide 9.22 APK. Even though it's fresh, but it's still going to work. Here's another one, and here's another, many of them. All right, so this Aptoide APK download for Android. So I think this is the best option. Just have to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring you to where you can install it to your Android or Samsung Smart TV by just clicking on the download button. So these are 3 ways to install applications to your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.